Out of everything I've learned about Canva, there is one trick that saves me the most time. So this scene is made up of many layers, and you see them here to your left. There are over 20. So when you have this many layers, 9 times out of 10, the things you want to move together aren't one right after the other. Like you see that the chick is sitting on the bench in front of the tree, but there's so many different other things between them, like all of these flowers. So in a case like this is when I would use this trick. So I'm going to move and resize the chick, the umbrella, the bench, and the tree all together. And the way you do that is, I clicked on the chick. I'm going to hold down the control button and group together everything I want to move. Okay, so that's the chick, the umbrella, the tree, and the bench. So the next step is to click on group. So now you'll see that all of those things have been moved one right after the other. So they're here, and you can collapse that. And as you can see, I can move it all together. Another thing that this is good for, now you can right click on it, copy it, and take just those 3 elements all together to another scene and click paste. Yeah, so I got all of them. And it'll be easier for you to see now. And once they're over here, if you decide you want to move them or resize them individually, you simply ungroup them. So go back over to the first scene because there's something I want to show you. As you can see, they're still grouped over here. So I do like that. Even though I changed them in the second slide, they're still all together in the first slide. So if you wanted to make another slide, keep in mind that's the last thing you copied. So again, you can right click and just paste it. Or if you needed to, if you had copied something else, you could just go back over here and grab them all together again. And I just want to show you that now they're 3 separate pieces by themselves. And you can do that with anything. You can do it with text, and I'll show you just in case you decide to do that. So let's go over to text, and we're just going to add the word rain. Gonna drag it up here and make it bigger so you can actually see it. We'll use a huge font. Since there's so many raindrops, you might have trouble seeing it. And we're going to make it a brighter color. We can just make it white and enlarge it. Okay, so go back to position. You see your layers. So we can add that to our group if we want to. So click on the group first, hold down Control, go back up to rain, click on it, and now it's part of the group as well. It didn't move it, but as you can see, it's right on top of that. So it's showing you that it's all together, and you can see here where all of the squares are together. So if you right click on it, click copy. Let's go over here. I'm going to make the background another color so you can actually see when rain comes over too. Right click, hit paste. So now you have all 3 pieces and the word rain. And they came over. You can move them separately if you want. You can ungroup. Voila. There you go. I hope this has been helpful. If it is, leave a comment letting me know. Also, let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Canva, or you can just give me a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me. Bye.